Okay, here we go. We are back. Episode 6. This is Dale. I am the owner, builder of the Rock Creek, Platte Eastern Model Railroad. What I've been working on now is the finishing up of the grain elevator area, the runaround track. So it's all in. There's going to be a siding there with where I use some of my half buildings. I'll do another background. It's going to come down and meet up with the post right there. So when you come in, you won't see this side of the layout. This is the other part I am going to connect, which I'm referring to as the 5 final pieces of the puzzle. We'll come in here. That's track 3 right there, leading out of the yard. "26-inch curve there coming out of the yard. So here's the whole layout. The 1 yard, with all the background mural down there. Paper mill area over the bar. Modifications going to happen in there, I already know. I'm going to do some more mural work. I'm going to make it so it finishes all the way to the corner of the wall there. There you can see the grain elevator. Comes around there. That's what I've been working on there. Comes around over here. This small yard here is going to belong to the Rock Creek, Platte Eastern Railroad. My main line, siding for main line 1. That's main line 2. There's track 3. So when you come in, you see the layout. This wall will be right here. So when you come in, you're basically just going to be seeing the skyline in the background. It'll be 13 inches high, and those industries will greet you as you come in. And of course, you'll look down there and you'll see the station, and then you'll see the layout from there.